Hello friends, visualization and imagination both has similar meaning, and that meaning is to form a picture in your mind, right? But there is slight difference in both. Visualization is all about a picture, a still picture. It uses only it involve only your visual sight, whereas in case of imagination it also involves your other senses, like you will motion, listening, and maybe taste. So it involves other senses plus your emotion, right? For visualization you should have the prior knowledge or information or experience. You can visualize only those things which you are already aware, which you know. But for imagination there is no limit. You can imagine anything. There is no information knowledge required. You can imagine anything, right? And visualization is more about, it's like logic based, whereas the imagination is like more about creativity or innovation or creating something new. So just think about it, that today we can easily visualize about the aeroplane, right? But think about 18th century, like 1880s, when somebody, that time nobody could visualize about the aeroplane, but somebody imagined, Wright brothers or maybe other people also, they imagined about that a machine flying in the air, and people will fly along with that machine. And today we can visualize easily, but that time it was not easy. Similarly, I have one of the, my personal imagination is that it is weird, by the way, but I imagine sometime that I am sitting on a roof terrace, and from there I am coming to ground very slowly in my own speed. I can control, and how I can control, I'm sitting like in Sukhasana, closed eye, and I'm holding my breath, and through breath I'm controlling my speed coming to the ground. So this is my weird imagination I have, that I hold my breath and just jump out of the roof or terrace and coming to ground, holding my breath, and slowly, if I have to increase my speed, I have to control, I will control with my breath. So this is one of my imagination. So what weird imagination you have, please share. But remember that for imagination there is no control, there is no logic, and it is totally crazy things. And that is how so many innovation, so many new things what we see today. For those things earlier, people, it was very difficult to believe for them, right? But today everything is possible. We see so many things, right? Whether it is related to communication, technology, aeroplane, and so many things like that, right? So this is the difference in I could see between visualization and imagination. Please share your feedback, what the weird imagination you have. Thank you and take care. Bye bye.